My journey started. I see your advertisement in YouTube and Facebook. Then I just like good nature. Obviously, currently I also not like medicine to anybody to take. Even cold and cup, I never take medicine.
Right.
I just try to normal nature, what is the steaming and all these things, gargar and do that. I avoid to take medicine. Once your advertisement comes, it's good for what I thinking. As per the my think process is good. And I have a problem with the thyroid. Last 11 years, I taking medicine for thyroid. I just check, I get something better. Instead of taking every day morning, I take a 150 micro thyroid counts. Yes, I can avoid this if possible. And I like your concept. What you are first showing is immediately people are getting a heart attack and all these things. It means this this real fact. Because these are the reason because of the vaccine and people are have a problem, and after COVID people are doing this thing. It means what you doing is really fact, is believable thing.
Right.
And okay, MRP band, okay, let's try it out. If some benefit get it. I start stopping the last 2 months. I'm not taking any milk and milk product, everything I stop it. Any packet food I stop. All these things whatever possible, even 90%, 99% I stop. Maybe some emergency situation somewhere I want to take it. Is otherwise by nature I not take any market. And for not following every discipline for everyday activities I'm not doing. But every Saturday morning attend as far as possible anywhere I go, somewhere outside also when I try to morning session. But after doing this in the last 2 months, I get a lot of benefit. Just little previously I would at least weekly 1 or 2 times some headache happen. Now last 2 months I not a single headache happen.
Beautiful. No headache, right?
No, not a single headache. And thyroid report, I take a thyroid report in front of me also. There previously the 18, then I would take 20. Thyroid. And after last report is 1.5, 0.02.
Amazing. Send me the report. Yeah. I'll please send the report to Shruti. It's like wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But I take the photo also this report.
Amazing.
Really, I also remember this. I not done anything great thing.
Yeah.
I not follow all these things. I just few simple, whatever simply people can possible. Right. I just or copper plate. I buy it out. Check this. Put alkaline water. So all these things. Put in night in a glass jar and put it morning. Me and my wife taking this thing. Right. And whatever possible. Saturday every day I can't go over garden. But Saturday Sunday we definitely go over 1 hour in garden. We can. For earthing purpose we going it. These are the small things I changed in my life. As per your advice and all these things, whatever possible I want implementing. But I get a drastic result in current report. So I reduce my medicine 150 to 125. Next month again I take the report. If you all reduce, you can again reduce step by step. I going to stop. My planning is to stop the medicine thyroid. I'm not having other benefit. Only thyroid is there. But I like बाकी सबको इतना होता है after 55 age. People are BP and all that. Not the thyroid is less. This also remove it. Why you take medicine?
No medicine.
No medicine.
That's the goal.
And these are really good thing. You explaining people all these things, and these are the real life require people to have medicine.
Thank you.
When whatever my family will at least whatever you can't do it, okay, just go for home outside. Instead of when you are going out, just remove shoes and walk it out. Not too much thing. You not follow all these things, but which are we can minimum we can do it.
True. Very true. Very true. So amazing.
And my body also feeling lightly because maybe I will not check my actual weight, but at least I feel like it. At least minimum 2-3 kg I reduce weight. It's 84, but maybe the less than I feel like less than 80 something is supposed to be there. Because I able to my office by parking, I at least every day around 53-54 steps to walk.
Right.
Step up for parking to my office first floor. But previously I feel like now I not feel anything. We can easily just walk. We can 54 steps. I can walk. Nothing feel anything.
Amazing. So happy for you, Chetanji. You feel happiness. Thank you.
Yeah.
You have done it.
Okay. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing the entire journey. Everybody just type MPTY